Welcome back everyone to my channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and today we are going to discuss a very excellent and short trick to find out the equivalent capacitance. These questions normally comes for MCQ in NEET exams. So normally physics problems are lengthy and very confusing, and many students say that when you go for the NEET exam and in the hall you take a lot of time to do the calculations, and normally you get only a few seconds to answer the sum. So it's always best to follow a few tricks which we will be uploading one by one here. So today we are going to just study about the a small problem to find the equivalent capacitance. Here you can see the question given. That is, what is the question here? 4 capacitors are connected in closed path. So there are 4 capacitors here and it is connected in a closed path. Now what they are asking you, you have to find out the equivalent capacitance here. So you have got 4 options given. First one is 18 mu f, second one is 24 mu f, third choice is 36 mu f, fourth choice is 72 mu f. So in order to solve this sum, you have got a very easy equation or formula in which you can substitute and find out the solution. So I think you all understood the questions. You have 4 capacitors here. Each of the capacitor has got 18 mu f. Each is 18 mu f. You have to find out the equivalent capacitance and you are having 4 choices here. And how will you do the short calculation? We have got a formula to find out the equivalent capacitance, which is equal to N divided by N minus 1 into C. What does N denote? It is the number of capacitors. So C equivalent is equal to N divided by N minus 1 into C. Okay, so that is a formula given, and you have got all the values here in the question. C is 18 mu f and N is the number of capacitors, which is we are having 4 capacitors. Now just remember one important thing here. You can use this formula only in 2 cases. That is, the first case is if the path is a closed one. See, for this particular sum, this is given in the question also, it is a closed path. And secondly, if the capacitors are identical, all the capacitors, we are having 4 capacitors here, each of one is having 18 mu f, so they are all identical. So these 2 conditions are satisfied here. Okay, so what you have got to do, just substitute the value. C equivalent, what is N? N is equal to 4 and N minus 1, 4 minus 1, and capacitance is 18. So what is 4 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 into 18, so cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 into 6, 18. So C equivalent is equal to 4 into 6, which is 24 mu f. So C equivalent is 24 mu f. So which choice is correct here? Okay, choice number 2. This will be the correct option. So normally, if you have some excellent tricks like this, you can solve the sums within 2 to 3 seconds time. And always if you do big calculations and simplifications, it's very time consuming, and I'll be uploading more methods and more tricks like this from different concepts of physics, and daily you can watch the uploads over here, and also I'll be coming up with such excellent videos and interviews with MBBS students and lessons from chemistry, everything for watching. Just do like, share and subscribe to the channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get to know the notifications as soon as I post the videos. And here if you all know one important thing, physics is the marks determining factor of the NEET exam. So everybody find biology, most of you, it's very easy for all of you, and it's a very good area for scoring marks, and especially botany, zoology and all that. And physics is comparatively easy, but only thing is that you should know all the concepts in depth, and also you should know the formulas and applying identification of where to apply the correct formulas. So only if you know that, and just read the questions and see what all data is given in the question. Collect the data, and just using that data you can find out the or identify the equation. Just substitute in the equation and solve it, and find mostly for a certain rounding off tricks and all are there. And I'll be for pi, for example, pi is 3.14, but when you do that for a sum in physics, you need not do 3.14 and make large calculations. Just round it off to 3 and then do the calculation. Here itself you can see that the options, they vary widely. See 18, 24, 36, 72. If you change, round off a small decimal number, that wouldn't make much of a difference for the answer unless the options value are very close to each other. So that is an important point all of you should remember. And for more tips and how to appear for the NEET exam, what all things happen in the exam hall, everything, we are uploading an excellent and super awesome video with our MBBS student, and which will be uploaded later today. I hope you share it with all of your friends, and it will be a really a wonderful experience for you to watch that video. So watch today's posting for that video. Only in chemistry made simple for NEET will be bringing up super awesome videos like that. And those of you who have started preparing for the NEET exam, do not panic and take plenty of rest in between. Have good food and good and healthy food, and don't keep on postponing your studies. Just daily you do your bit and keep a perfect timetable. And I'm sure that repeaters or re-repeaters, everybody, all of you, this is your dream to get a seat for MBBS. I'm sure, positive that anyone, all of you can do it. You have got the capacity to do it. Only you have to work hard for that. So, and also you should be practicing all these questions daily. And there is no other substitute for good practice. Read well, and if you tend to forget things, important formulas, equations and all that, you can write it and learn. And so that every weekend also you just keep on refreshing, because if you forget the formulas you won't be able to do the problems. And we have already uploaded part 1 of the concept important topic capacitance. We'll be uploading the second part. I request everyone to press the bell icon so that we'll be because since the exams are coming close, we are uploading videos frequently so that all of you can watch it. And thanks for watching this video, and please do support us by subscribing. Okay.